Welcome back to our class. I hope you are doing well. Are you ready for the lesson again? That's great. You are with Teacher Barnett.
You are welcome in our class.
And in today's lesson, we are going to talk about sound. Can you try it? Great! Today we are going to talk about sound sh. Sh. Can you repeat after me? Shh. Good job. It's a digraph, which means it has two letters. When two letters make one sound, we call it a digraph. We have letter S and letter H. Or you can call them sound S and sound H. They make one sound. Sh sound. So right now, let's sound out words with sh sound.
Remember, before we finish this lesson, you'll be given a chance to read words alone. So I request you to pay much attention
so that when your turn comes, you will be able to read all words perfectly. Good job. Let's start. F, E, sh, fish. Do you like eating fish? Good job. I like it too. Let's go to the next word. Sh, O, P, shop. Do you always got the shop? Oh, I got the shop to buy some chocolates. Sh, E, P, sheep. Sh, A, L, shell. B, R, A, sh, brush. Sh, A, L, F, shelf. Sh, R, T, shirt. K, R, sh, cash.
D, E,
Sh, dish.
Are we reading words together? Nice job. Let's read other words. Sh, A, D, shed. Sh, E, P, sheep. Remember, I told you that you will be given a chance to read words alone. Right now, it's your turn.
Good luck. I hope you did it well. I hope you were able to read the words with sound sh. Good job. Thank you. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.